Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Simplified channel. Today we are writing a simple Java program to find the smallest of three number using Eclipse. We will also cover why this is useful and walk through the logic step by step. So let's dive in. Real life examples of finding the smallest among three numbers is finding the lowest price from three stores, comparing temperatures across three cities, and determining the lowest test score among the students. So in each use case you need to compare values and find the smallest. That's exactly what we are doing today. So let's first understand that what is the logic behind comparing the three numbers. So for example, if we have three number A, B, C and the values are 12, 7 and 19 respectively. So what is the logic? We have to first compare B with A and C with A, and if we found A is less than B and A is less than C, then the smallest number is A. Similarly, in the else case, we have to find out that B is less than A and B is less than C. In that case, the smallest number is B. And if we don't found A and B smallest, then the case is smallest number is C. So let's try with the given number. So our value of A is 12. So we have to compare 12 is less than 7 and 12 is less than 19. 19 is the value of C. So we found that the condition is false. So A is not the smallest number. In the second case, we found that 7 is less than 12 as well as 7 is less than 19. So this condition is true and we found that the smallest number is B, means 7 is the smallest number. So now let's write the code. We will ask the user to enter three numbers and then we use the if-else logic to compare them. Okay, so now let's open the Eclipse IDE and go to the file menu and create a new project first, Java project, and I want to give the name as the smallest number project. And let's click on the finish. And after that we have to create a one class file inside this project. So we have to just right click, new, and create a class file, and I want to give name smallest number and give the package name program, include public static void main, and click on finish. Okay, so you can see this structure of the program is already ready and we have to take your input from the user. So I import java.util.scanner. Okay, now inside public static void main we have to first take input from the user. So we have to take three input from the user. For that we have to first create the class of the scanner, object of the scanner. So scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now we have to give the message to the user. For that, system dot out dot println and enter first number. Okay, and we have to store this number in a particular variable. So I take integer num1 equal to sc dot next int. Okay, similarly we have to take the another inputs from the user. So I just copy these two lines and take another two input from the user. Okay, so here I write enter second and here enter third number. Okay, and this is num2 and this is num3. Okay. Now after taking the input from the user, we have to use the conditional statements to compare these three numbers. So for that I make a one variable, that is int smallest, to store the smallest number. Okay. Now I compare if num1 is less than num2 and num1 is less than num3. Okay. So in this case we can write that smallest is num1. Okay. Similarly, we can write the else statement. So else if num2 is less than num1 and num2 is less than num3, so we can say smallest equal to num2. Okay. And in else we can write smallest equal to num3. Okay. Now we have to close the scanner. So I close this, and now I have to print also. So let's first print. So I write here system dot out dot println smallest number is plus smallest. Okay. Again run this code. So for example, number 1 is 12, number 2 is 7 and number 3 is 19. So it gives the smallest number is 7. Okay. And there you have it. So you just build a Java program to find the smallest of three numbers. And if you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for the more beginner Java tutorial, and leave a comment if you want to explore more problems like this. Thank you.